For this tutorial, we will use the preprocessed coins image regression dataset. The dataset contains a collection of 6,028 images with one or more coins. Each image has been labeled to indicate the sum of its coins. The currency of the coins is the Brazilian real. Please be aware that the coins dataset is already available for you to use, and the purpose of the next following steps is to help you understand the process of importing one of the preprocessed datasets that are readily available in H2O Hydrogen Torch. Let's import the dataset. In the H2O Hydrogen Torch navigation menu, click Import Dataset. In the S3 file name list, select coins_image_regression.zip. Please note that in order to use H2O hydrogen effectively, it is necessary to preprocess the dataset for each experiment according to a specific format that aligns with the problem type being addressed. For instance, the coins image regression dataset was preprocessed to adhere to the dataset format required for training and image regression models. To delve deeper into this topic, please refer to the documentation page, left side of the screen, under the guide chapter, to the section concerning the dataset formats. Upon clicking Continue, you will be redirected to the Configure Dataset page. Here, you will have the opportunity to access and modify various pieces of information. This includes the dataset name, problem type with a wide range of options available to cater to your specific problem type, training, validation, and test data frames, as well as the ability to specify label column and image column details. We are going to stick with the default settings for this first experiment, but please keep in mind that here you have the option to update and manage these details as per your requirements. After clicking Continue, you will experience a brief delay while H2O Hydrogen Torch conducts some sanity checks. Once completed, you will be directed to the Sample Data Visualization page. This page offers a visual representation of random train data samples. As you hover over each sample, the associated label information will be displayed for your reference. Please note that these labels represent the sum of the coins in each specific photo. Please click Continue once again, and you are going to be directed to the View Datasets page. Congrats! You have just uploaded your dataset. Now, let's explore our dataset a bit more.